Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have something super fun to learn. Can you guess what it is? That's right, we're going to learn shapes together. Shapes are everywhere around us and I can't wait to show you. Are you ready to start this adventure with me? Let's go.
Here's a circle. It's round and smooth, just like the sun. And this is a square. It's a perfect box shape. Look, this is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 points. Triangles are everywhere. You might see them on mountains or in sandwiches. Look, this is a star. It has 5 points and looks just like the stars in the sky. Stars are shiny and special. You can see them twinkle at night. All right, kids, it's time for a super fun quiz. Let's see how well you remember these shapes. Ready? Let's go. Can you spot the shape with 3 sides? Is it the circle, the triangle, or the star? Think carefully. Yes, it's the triangle. Great job. Triangles have 3 sides. Let's give it a cheer. Woohoo! Now let's find a shape with 5 points. Which one could it be? Is it the square, the star, or the circle? Look closely. Now that's right, it's the star. Stars have 5 shiny points. Amazing work, everyone. Thank you for learning shapes with us today. We hope you had a lot of fun discovering all the different shapes, like the circle, triangle, and star.